Welcome. In front of me is a KAZAM Tornado 350 and I will show you how to take a screenshot on this device. So assuming you have already opened the content that you want to take a screenshot of, you will hold the power key and volume down together, like so, till the screen flashes, and now the photo can be found in the gallery. So as you can see right now, screenshot, and it's right here. And it's the one that I just took. And from here you can edit it, delete it, do whatever you like as you would do with a normal photo. So once more, it's volume down and power key. And yeah, now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.